In this video, I'll show you how to rename the share button in the Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, by default, the share button is displayed on the product pages just under the Buy Buttons block, as well as on the actual blog post pages, right over here at the very top, just under the blog post title. So if you're looking to change the button text to something custom, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, and then select Online Store. Now look for Dawn theme, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop-down menu, and then select Products, Default Product. Then on the left under Template, expand the Product Information section, and then look for the Share button block right over here. Let's click on it, and that's where we can make the change. As in my case, I would like to change this text from Share to Share this product. As you can see in the preview, it was changed on the product pages. Once you're done, just click on Save. And now let's repeat the same process for the blog post pages. Once again, click on Default Product, then select Blog Post, Default Blog Post. Once again, under Template, expand the blog post section, and then look for the Share. And once again, let's make the change right here. Let me change it to Share this article. And as always, don't forget to save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can see on the product pages, the button now says share this product. Now let's take a look at the blog post pages. Let's refresh one. And right here, the button now says share this article. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.